6 directors of Kolkata's AMRI hospital have been sent to 3 more days of police remand. Court proceedings on Tuesday saw heated arguments as the defence lawyers sought bail for their clients, saying they could only be charged with negligence. Remember, 90 people died in a major fire at this hospital on the 9th of this month.
Till the other day, they were some of the most powerful businessmen in Kolkata. S.K. Todi and his son Ravi, both of the Shachi Group, and R.S. Goenka, his son Manish and nephew Prashant of the Imami Group. All of them directors of the Advanced Medicare Research Institute or AMRI. All of them today kept in a lockup while the court heard their bail pleas. In court, the prosecution pointed out that earlier this year, these directors had suspended an AMRI employee who reported a fire to the police.
There were directions of the board of directors. In future, any fire takes place, then nobody should inform to the police or the fire brigade. Therefore, they are the persons, and for them, this board of directors, all these officers are involved in this matter. 304 is attracted.
The 6 have been booked under Section 304 of the IPC for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Punishment could be 10 years or life in jail. Defence lawyers, however, argued only Section 304A was applicable. Section 304A deals with death due to negligence, punishment 2 years. The Upahar fire case of 1997 was cited as precedent. In that case too, initial charges were filed under 304 but later changed to 304A.
In fact, 304 is not applicable. It has been held even by Honorable Delhi High Court in Upar's case. And we have cited that case here because that case fact is very much alike to our present issue in problem.
For Neelam Krishnamurthy, who lost 2 children in the Upahar fire, it was grim tidings.
That in our case, Bhopal was cited, and in case of AMRI, it will always be Bhopal and Upahar which will be cited. That if their people were charged with 304A, why should it be different for us? Because anyway, the circumstances and everything is just the same.
The AMRI case will come up again on December 23. With Anusuya Roy in Delhi, in Kolkata, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.